Hey guys, it's 12/27, December 16th. I haven't really updated you guys today because I went to the dentist with my mom. And that was really about it. You guys can come with me to water my plants because I haven't watered them here. This plant is where I buried both of my fish. I have spaghetti in here and I also have Z in here. They both died from unknown causes. And then this one over here too. This one's doing good. Doesn't have any dead leaves or anything on it. Oh. Did I get over again? Alright.
Shit, what happened? Watch out! Shit. Oh, fuck. Jennifer.
I was like, fuck if I'm gonna be ramming in a truck on the fucking freeway. Fuck. No, I'm not.
But okay. Oh, I can see.
Okay, so I'm going to be filming a before and after. So these are my glasses that I have now. And here is after. I like them a lot. They're really nice. But yeah, they look good. Kind of big. You kind of can't see my eyebrows. But that's fine.
You like them how they look? Alright, bye. That's all. Damn, did you hear that? Every time I go...
Okay, so it's 9:58, December 17th. I don't know if I recorded today. This is my mom's gift. I got it actually the 10th. I don't know if I said that or anything. So okay, there we go. Finally. You think I should take this bubble wrap out? Yeah, I think I should. Maybe I should have went in with my right hand. What the heck is this? I'm having such a hard time with it. I'm literally dead. I can't even. I don't know what I'm supposed to find. Do you guys hear my cat in the background, like just like bugging along with it? Okay, finally, there we go. See, there we go. That's what I got. Hopefully my mom doesn't watch my videos.